Sel Tech got started in 1985 in Chico, actually, manufacturing air stairs for large aircraft. These are onboard folding air stairs for VIP or military aircraft. Over the years, developed our portfolio to include aerial firefighting systems as well. We do a lot of on-the-job training. We don't necessarily require people to have that exact experience, although it is nice and almost required for certain positions. But for a lot of positions that we have at this company, we do a lot of initial and on-the-job training. So applicants don't necessarily need that particular skill set, but what they do need is good mechanical aptitude, ability to work with a team, and just good overall safety conscious and be trainable, essentially.
The situation that I'm in is that I get to come here and I get to do what I love to do every single day while I'm going to school, which is the most incredible thing to me. Working in a shop setting, especially ones that involve different types of machining, especially ones involving CNC machining like what we're doing here, it takes a lot of level-headed people with extreme amounts of common sense and complicated sense. These machines have a lot of quirks. There's a lot of detail behind it. So you really need to know all of the little tiny details. And I think all of those attributes come together and they kind of find the people who work here. It takes people who are able to analyze all of the little tiny details about the machine, you know.
I grew up in the trades, a lot of construction, plumbing, roofing, concrete, all that stuff. So that's the kind of skill set I have. But a lot of the stuff transfers over to manufacturing, just because things are built a certain way. Almost everywhere, the standards are the same. And most of the people here are very like-minded, same thing. They like to work with their hands, get things done, building things, like I said, very rewarding. Also the pay as well, you know. So there's that. There's a certain ambiance to getting things built, a certain artistry. And it's hard to explain, but if it's something that drives you, this is the only place you're gonna scratch that itch. It's as simple as that.
Favorite part about working here is really just the gratitude of what we make here, and being able to take my time, do things right. Time limits aren't really a big thing in aerospace. They just want it done right. We have a very high quality level here, so I went from steel fabrication to more aluminum fabrication here. In this industry, you gotta have fun. If you don't enjoy this, it really shows. A lot of guys that are in this industry love their job. So as much as we get things done, we like to goof off. We like to have fun.
If you like working with your hands, if you are interested in how things work, you know, the interest has to be there first, and then get out and find work. Start working.
Working at Sel Tech, you know, people get the opportunity to work in a variety of fields and to gain that expertise and versatility that they may be able to apply to different positions, even in different industries. It's really hands-on, detail-oriented work that requires a lot of discipline, which can translate well into many other industries.